Welcome back. Cooking Tips with G-Rod. One more episode. There might be more. Who the fuck knows? Today we're going to do something simple. Very easy. Guacamole. All you need is some avocados. Right ones that are a little soft. Okay? Avocado's hard to pick. 1 second it's soft. Next second it's fucking rotten and it's out the window. Tomato. Some lime, fresh lime, cilantro. I froze my cilantro so it doesn't go to waste. Red onion, okay? And salt and pepper. We'll be back. Okay, first what we're gonna do is cut the tomato in quarters, like so. De-seed it, get rid of the seed part if you can see. As I'm doing, whammo. Like this, you just want this piece. You're gonna cut it in strips and then small dice it. We talked about this in previous videos of knife skills. If you need to go back to this, go back to my YouTube channel, Cooking Tips with G-Rod, and you'll see knife skills 1 and 2. Thank you. Okay, we're back. So now that we have the tomatoes small diced and the red onion small diced, as I said, if you need to see how that's done, Cooking Tips with G-Rod knife skills, I'll show you all that. Now we go to the avocado. Wash it first, please. Cut into it. Turn it with the knife. Spin it. Go like this. And you got the pit out. Just drop it right in here. Spoon it right out. And the quickest way to do this is a potato masher. Mash it up like that. Boom, boom, boom. And you're ready to go. Okay, to wrap it all up, we got the avocados in here. Squeeze some lime juice in there. A little salt for flavor, a little pepper, try fresh, and then our cilantro. Put it all in there, crush it all up, and you got yourself some good guacamole. Very easy, very simple. Can hold for about 2 or 3 days in your fridge. Perfect for breakfast. Put it on some whole wheat toast. A very quick meal. It will fill you up to mid-afternoon. Or you come home from work, a quick little snack with some chips. It's never gonna do you no harm. There you go. Fresh guacamole. I'm always a crowd pleaser. Okay? This is Cooking Tips with G-Rod. Have a good fucking day.